Hello guys, good morning. So for today's vlog, this is the part 2 of our Kelowna trip. So now we are heading to the famous lake here in Kelowna, which is the Okanagan Lake. So for an intro lang guys, itong Okanagan Lake kasi medyo may konting hiking siya, pero hindi naman ganun kataas. So, at least kaya ng mga bagets. So, ayan. Ito na yung perfect view at the top. Sobrang ganda guys. At sobrang laki nitong Okanagan Lake na to. Actually, doon merong place dito na pwede ka mag-swim. Yan, ito dito sa place na to. Pwede ka mag-swim dyan. So, ayun na nga guys, nagstay kami for half an hour here. Umupo lang, nag-relax. And then, in-enjoy ang view. So, ayan, ang mga pictures. You can see guys. Medyo malamig din dito sa place na to. Kaya, magtala na lang kayong mga shawl nyo or something to cover up. So, ayan, at the top, makikita nyo yung view. Sobrang laki. As you can see guys, marami rin napunta dito, like mga residents from other provinces nagpupunta dito, and then some locals talaga. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye, love.